In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create column layouts with Elementor. Elementor is a great plugin to use when you want to create attractive pages on your website. It gives a lot of customization options, which makes it easier to edit pages in WordPress compared to the default WordPress editors. To edit pages with Elementor, first you need to install and activate the Elementor plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now go to Pages and click on All Pages. Here the default page editor is open, and to edit this page with Elementor, you need to click on this blue button. This is the Elementor editor. Now to add a column layout on this page, just click here to add a new section. Then you can select from these structures. You can choose any layout you want. I'm going to select this one. And now you have 3 columns that you can edit. To add content in a column, just drag and drop what you want into the column. You can add many structures on a page, and you can add images, videos, and other media to them. Just drag and drop the respective elements in the columns, and then you can edit them, and it'll be displayed. This is how you can create column layouts with Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.